Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Uber password. So if you're having trouble resetting your Uber password, in this video, I'll walk you through a few steps to regain access to your account quickly and easily. So for that, first of all, you have to make sure you're using the correct email address. Double check that the email address you enter is the one connected to your Uber account. Even a small typo can prevent the password reset email from reaching you. After that, you can simply check the junk or spam folder. After requesting a password reset, take a moment to look into your spam or junk folder. Sometimes Uber email can end up there by mistake. If you did not receive the email, you can try using the Uber app instead. Open the application, simply tap on sign in, and then select forgot password. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password directly through the app. If you're using web browser and still facing issues, you can simply clear the cache and cookies. Outdated and corrupted browser data can interfere with password reset process. So, clearing your cache and cookies often helps this problem. Finally, if you're still having issues, you can simply contact Uber support if nothing works. If you have tried all the steps and still cannot reset your password, reach out to Uber support through the app or their official website. Their support team can help you recover your account. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.